Hey everyone, Nate here with 911 Rapid Response. We've got a quick upfit video for you, one that's going to highlight some 3D printed mounting solutions in the back, and we'll get there in just a second. So, unmarked Tahoe, we've got 4 lights in the grille, which are Whelen universal mount ions, each of those a duo. And on the interior side of the windshield, we have the XLP duo. So very low profile light bar on the interior side there. And the showcase of the video is going to be how we've mounted the side rear and rear lights. So in each side rear cargo window, we have a Mega T and a Whelen T series, each of which are duo. And on the rear side, we have another pair of Mega Ts, also flashing the OEM taillight flashers. Pop the hatch here and take a look at the products that we have mounted these lights with. So Mega T buckets and T series buckets provided to us by Bearded 3D Creations. As you can see, we have our logo printed on there. These were specifically created for us, which we are going to resell through our retail operation and utilize on projects into the future. So we're able to mount these lights very efficiently with the 3M double-sided tape. The buckets having a flat surface on the front side on the side windows, and we do have a little bit of an angled surface for the specific curvature of the Tahoe on the rear glass. So thanks for tuning in, and make sure you like, subscribe, follow, ask us any questions you might have below, and stay tuned for more products like this.